Hindi ko sinasabing kaming mga parents ang magtuturo sa lahat. Hindi namin kaya yun, lalong-lalo na yung teaching or developing knowledge and skills. Trabaho ng mga teachers yan sa school. Pero kaming mga parents, mas fundamental or foundational ang trabaho namin, which is character building. So again, napaka-importante ng role ng parenting because ito yung bumubuo ng pamilya, yung mga parents. Now, if I may be allowed to connect theology here, I have learned that God has created the world, and especially us, humans, out of love or because of love. Simply because God wants us to enjoy the love that He has created. God wants to share His love and happiness to us. So, ibig sabihin, ang buhay is regulated or should be regulated by love. Love is the foundation of the law or all laws. Love is the spirit of the law. Some people may be law-abiding. Hindi hinuhuli ng pulis, walang kaso sa korte, pero hindi nakakatulong sa kapitbahay na naghihirap, walang pambili ng bigas at walang pambili ng medisina. So itong taong law-abiding may be following the law, but may not be doing actions of love. Doon sa bahay, hinuhubog na yung mga anak sa disiplina, which is the law. Mayroong mga rules and regulations sa bahay na dapat sumunod yung mga anak, pati na kaming mga parents. But more than promoting the law or implementing the law, rules and regulation, including discipline at home, the parents like us should be able to ultimately and primarily and more basically promote the value of love.